Alright guys, last construction. We're going to construct a parallelogram given the length of two sides and the size of one angle. Let's discuss what we're going to do. It's parallelogram PQRS such that PQ is 7.5 centimeters. Again, PQ is 7.5 centimeters. This is 7.5 centimeters. Please listen. The angle at Q, is 125. Look carefully where you get to 125.
Here.
Alright, look in. At Q, I'm going to extend the line a little, but doing faint. Why? Then, over this side of Q, I'm going to construct a 90 degree angle. So I do my curve, 60, 120, 90. I do it light, because I really don't want 90. What I want is 45. So if this is 90, over this side is 90, and over this side is 90, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Over here, I'm going to cut over here into two equal halves. So this is 0 degrees, this is 90 degrees. I put it at 0 and I scribe. Then I put it at 90 and I scribe. A line from here through here will give me 45 degrees. Help me now?
Yes, sir.
So over here is 90 and this is 45. What is 90 plus 45?
135.
So here would now be 135 degrees. What is the length of QR?
6 centimeters.
I will then open my compass to 6 centimeters. Put it at Q and scribe. That length here is 6. Then for a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if over here is 6, over here so is also 6. I put it here and I also scribe. The length down here so is what?
7.5.
So remember, opposite sides are equal. So it means that the length up here is also 7.5. This is PQ, this would be R. I then put it at, open it to 7.5, put it at R, and then I would scribe. Remember, then put it at R, scribe. This would be S. Then I would connect. And I would have my parallelogram. Everybody, please draw a line segment PQ of length 7.5 centimeters. This is P, and this is Q, 7.5 centimeters.
And the faint line.
Then I'm going to extend my line a little so I can draw. I need to know exactly where Q is, so I might not. All I'm going to do is just extend the line a little. Do I faint? Notice I don't touch it. I don't touch it to Q because I need to know exactly where Q is. All right, fine. Now, what I want is I need 45 degrees because 90 plus 45 is going to give me the length of PQ is 7.5. The length of PQ is 7.5. This is P. Q stops here. I just extended the line. So from P to Q is 7.5. Everybody look. Everybody look. I'm going to construct a 45 degree angle at Q on the right side. I put the metal tip at Q I scribe a wide arc. I must ensure that it come around and cut the extended line. That is 0 degrees. I move the metal tip from Q and put it at 0 degrees. And I scribe my arc. A line from Q through here will give me 60 degrees over there. I don't want 60, what I want is 90. I then move the metal tip up from 60, put it at, from 0, put it at 60, and scribe an arc. A line from Q through here will give me 120 degrees over there. 90 is in the middle between 60 and 120. I put the metal tip at 120 and I scribe. Then I put the metal tip back at 60 and I scribe. Then I'm going to draw a faint line from Q through here. Everybody do the same. Let's say camera. No, sometimes I think y'all are the can't bother generation. Can't bother. You're the can't bother generation. You know what you call, can I tell what you have? It's a problem. What you need is a solution, find a solution. Understand? You know that I would have known how to solve the problem already? But you probably wouldn't do what I would have done.
What's that?
I would have used my teeth and tighten it. So as I said, you wouldn't have done what I would have done. Alright. Are you ready? Don't be too tight here. You don't want to be so tight that you can't open it. Are you ready?
Should I draw the line too?
Are you ready? What I'm interested in getting is 135. Over here and over here are both 90.
So that is
Over here and over here are both 90. Please listen. If I bisect this 90, I'm going to get 245. So that 90 plus 45 will give me 135. Please, it is only in this construction I tell you to do this. Open your compass a little wider. Put the metal tip at 0 and scribe an arc. Then move it from 0, put it at 90 and scribe an arc. A line from Q through here will give me 45 degrees. And 45 plus 90 will give me 135.
So what's the question?
Yes, I'm doing that question. Tell me, what is the length of QR?
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. Again, this angle over here is 90, this angle here is 45, the entire angle is 135.
So how you get back that over the top again? You put it back at...
Put it at 0,
Yeah.
and you put it at 90.
Yeah.
First at 0, scribe. Then put it at 90, scribe. Then draw the line through there to give it a 45. Which is why I said, go home and practice the construction. So that when you're ready to do it, you know exactly what to do. Alright. Now, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. What is the length of QR?
QR.
This is QR and it is 6 centimeters long. What would be the length of PS? If over there is 6, over here would also be 6. Open your compass now to 6 centimeter. Here's why I do that. This is already 6, don't it? So I just simply do this.
Sir, how much would you draw the bottom one to? Seven.
Please look. Over this side is how much?
5.5.
The length.
6.
So therefore over this side is? I put the metal tip at P and I scribe. Somewhere on that arc is the point S. Somewhere on that arc is the point X. Here. What is the length down here? So therefore up here must also be, so I'm going to open it to the length of PQ, which is 7.5. I just use the length that is already there to measure it. Alright. Remember, this is the point R. I put the metal tip at R. And I scribe. I'm in a little trouble. So I'm going to try and fix my problem. I'm going to extend this a little longer. No. I put it at R and I scribe. Anywhere the two lines meet, that is the point S. Anywhere the two lines meet, that is the point S. Yes, because the only point you know there is R.
Alright, it's supposed to be 6 centimeters from P.
No, 7.5.
You say it was 6 centimeters.
R is supposed to measure 7.5, right, sir?
Yes. Connect R to S. Connect R to S.
Yes, sir. 6 centimeters.
And lastly, connect P to S. Connect P to S. R to S, P to S. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you construct a parallelogram.